So the name of our referral network group is called Masterminds Southbay. I think networking is critical because we don't have a lot of time to cold call 200 people to try to get business. These are your salespeople in a way, right? People who you're networking with can bring you clients to you that need your service.
I really connected with Masterminds because of all the people.
We all are like-minded. We're all very professional. We're very kind. Top quality clients that are being referred to each other.
Everyone was welcoming, they were friendly, and very professional.
And we look after each other. It's almost like a little family.
I love the fact that there is a vetting process and they decide what businesses they want and need.
We only have one professional per industry or per business. Before actually inviting the CPA to come over, I interviewed maybe 3, maybe 5 different CPAs.
It's not just a networking group, it's a masterminds group where they share information and help you become a better professional than you already are.
Every month, we always select a different professional to really showcase their talent. Presentations is also a good way to really understand how that individual works and how to maybe even search for clients that would be good for that individual.
There was a time when I was about to do a really big pitch for a certification process. The group ended up being a founding board for me. I was able to pitch my elevator speech and get input from everybody in the group to make my pitch better.
There's been really successes within some of the members in our group. Some of them have come up to me personally and said, it's been night and day for my practice. Be part of this group is getting so much business.
I've really felt the loss during COVID of this group.
Each other on a regular basis, that's really when you almost out of sight, out of mind. If you're not getting together, you're not gonna think of that person. We're hopefully through this whole pandemic, everyone has vaccinations, and I'm just really super excited for us to get back into the swing of things and getting the group back together.